So I'm testing out this POV shot. Should be a little bit lower, it's closer to the eye level. Alright guys, today is the day. We're starting the manual swap. So these will be the last moments I'm driving the SMG. Finally started the manual swap. Took out the driver's seat just to get more room for the clutch pedal to install and the clutch master install. Alright, yeah, so we finally finished the manual swap. Got the RTD shifter in. Shift knob's off right now. I was just doing something trying to fit a grommet over it. But overall, it wasn't too bad. The hardest part was taking off the shift actuator under the trans tunnel. I'm gonna put the shift knob on right now and get some pulls. Well, I'm still kind of learning the shifter, so don't mind my slow ass shifting. By the way, I had this off too because I was testing the shift knob, my TRM Delrin shift knob. It helps with the heat dispersion. And it also gives me a higher reach up here for when I want that track feel. And it acts as more of a weighted shift knob too. So the shifting actually does feel a lot better with this on, but I want to leave this for now. Don't want to strip it, so just leave it tight. And we should be good. So a lot of y'all don't really know what my car has yet, or it looks like. It has the Megan Supremo muffler, ground control coilovers, E92 M3 wheels. I go back and forth between the black grills and the OEM ones because I feel like these look clean as well. And I did a fog light delete, gonna get some ducks soon. And yeah, let's get it. Alright. So, first reaction, my friend used to have the CAE shifter on his manual swap, so I'm kind of familiar with it. But shit is so precise. I mean, it's super notchy, it's supposed to be because everything's solid now. And it is mounted to the chassis, so it's not moving. Overall impressions, the car is transformed. The SMG shit was so not jerky per se, but I just felt like I wasn't in control and it wouldn't engage the clutch properly all the time. The SMG and spirited driving at high RPMs was amazing and very accurate with the CSL tune shifting that I did, but there's nothing like manual, man. So I'm heading to the canyon right now. Hope we can get some footage. I'm still trying to learn this shit, so hopefully I don't blow up my transmission. Turn DSD off. By the way, I still need to code some of the SMG stuff out. That's why the SMG light is on, and you can still see the gear indication box. I think I'm finally getting the hang of it. I still need to get down third to second, which is very crucial. I don't have the reverse lockout, so when I do try to switch to second, it somehow goes to the reverse gear. I might have to buy the lockout version. Shit, what gear am I in? 5th? I'm still learning this clutch pedal too, guys. Kind of new, so once I get this timing down, it's gonna be great. So I'm gonna try to rev match to second. See, I can't even find it. There it is. Jeez, I'm gonna have to learn that. Everything else is perfect though. I love how short the throws are. still trying to figure out that third to second gear. Check it out, guys. Slide area. So I have to do a skid. Overall, I think it's a must-do if you're either tired of SMG or you're just not a fan of it. You want something a little more precise, fun, accurate. But yeah, man, I think this is the best mod I've done so far. They didn't even have to drop the transmission, so I recommend that you all do it. Alright, peace.